Winners versus losers. The winner is always part of the answer, the loser is always part of the problem. The winner always has a program, the loser always has an excuse. The winner says, "Let me do it for you," the loser says, "That is not my job." The winner sees an answer for every problem, the loser sees a problem for every answer. The winner says, "It may be difficult but it is possible," the loser says, "It may be possible but it is too difficult." When the winner makes a mistake, he says, "I was wrong." When a loser makes a mistake, he says, "It wasn't my fault." A winner makes commitments, a loser makes promises. Winners have dreams, you hear? Losers have schemes. Winners say, "I must do something," say, "Something must be done." Winners are a part of the team, losers are apart from the team. Winners see the gain, losers see the pain. Winners see possibilities, and losers see problems. 24 Winners believe in win/win, losers believe for them to win someone has to lose. Winners see the potential, losers see the past. Winners are like a thermostat, losers are like thermometers. Winners choose what they say, losers say what they choose. Winners use hard arguments but soft words. Losers use soft arguments but hard words. Winners stand firm on values but compromise on petty things, losers stand firm on petty things but compromise in values. Winners follow the philosophy of empathy, don't do to others what you would not want them to do to you. Losers follow the philosophy, do it to others before they do it to you. Winners make it happen, losers let it happen. Winners plan and prepare to win. The key word is preparation.